5-minute guided morning meditation with positive affirmations. These next few minutes are for you and only you. You will set your intention for the day. Declare an intention right now. Good. Take a deep breath in and release. Let all the tension go, all the doubt and worry. Take another deep breath in. Become consciously aware of your breath. Good morning. Repeat the following affirmations out loud or to yourself. I am light. I am love. I am kindness. I am patient. I am persistent. I choose the path for my life. I choose peace. I choose to surround myself with supportive people. I look for the good in all things. Anything that I want, I can have. There are no limitations, only opportunities. I take time for myself. I take time for others. I am filled with energy. I am motivated. I maintain a high vibration. I nourish my body. I nourish my mind. I am whatever I choose to be. I choose to have a wonderful day. I am in charge of my life. I am filled with positive energy. Now, go out and enjoy your positive day.